Hi, I'm Mike Gubby from iSeek Blinds. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to install the Pelmet 95 system. So I'm going to show you the bracket, we're going to fit the Pelmet, and then we're going to fit it blind in place. I'm going to show you exactly how all that works. So if we were fitting the Pelmet 95, the bracket that we need to fit is that guy right there. And how that fits into the top of the Pelmet 95 is it sits in that front groove and then compresses. Oops, if I can just push that in. That's the finished bracket look that you want to see from the top. So can you see that in the camera there, Sally? All good. Okay, so if I just pop that off. The idea is to get my spring-loaded brackets, which are these guys here, and I have to place them evenly right across the top of my architrave, but I don't need to work right next to the corner of the architrave. I can stay about 100 millimeters back from the outside edge of the architrave. So that's exactly where my first bracket is going to be fitted, and I've got two screw positions to put there. So I like to do, particularly for the wider Pelmets, I like to do the two outside brackets first and then run a string line across, because it's really important that those brackets get fitted perfectly level and you don't follow the top of a architrave, because it could dip and it could vary up and down. So once again, all I'm doing is just screwing those brackets in place, and I'm doing that nice and level right across the top of the architrave, and I'm doing that nice and evenly across the top. So what I want to demonstrate now is how the Pelmet actually clicks in place, and I'm just going to use these two brackets that I've got fitted here. So Sally, I'm just going to present the Pelmet to the front of the bracket, and I'm just going to hold it in that position. So can you see the angle that I've got the Pelmet on? And you can see I've got it fitted to the front position here, and all I have to do is simply just push back on the Pelmet, and what it will do is it'll grab the back teeth of that bracket. So could you see that, how easy that was to do? And you can see the brackets are now fitted for my my Pelmet 95 system. So I'll just take that away and I'll show you how to remove Pelmet 95. Is we just push on the front, we take it away from the back, and then we just bring it forward just like that. So I'll just reinstall that Pelmet, and then we're going to fit a blind in place. So in the front first, push toward the back, Pelmet's fitted, and it's nice and easy. So I'm actually going to fit a roller blind into this top Pelmet here. And as you know, with all roller blinds, it's really important that we fit it with the chain in the straight up and down direction, as you can see there. And it's really important that we also fit this pin end. You can see that pin end is in the neutral position. So that's exactly how we've set the brackets. So with that changeover in the up position, the brackets are already fitted in the Pelmet. You can see that's gone in already. And now I just get that blind and I just click it up in position, just follow that little ramp. So it's nice and easy to do. The blind's been installed and it's simple. I'll see you in the next slide videos. Thanks.